Two ions with the same charge, but different masses, enter a mass selector with the same speed. That, of course, is the job of the velocity selector. They move in a semicircle and strike detectors at the end of the motion. Which ion will strike a detector farther away from the entry point? Well, you can go back a few slides and see where we actually derived everything, but let's see if we can do it without the full derivation. What force is acting on these ions? Well, all you have is the magnetic field. The magnetic field is constant for both of them. The velocity is the same, and since they're the same ions, they have the same charge, so you have the same force. The force will be perpendicular to the motion, so when the ions come in like this, they're going to move in a semicircle. It would be a full circle if you didn't just stop it here, but you have a semicircle. So if you have the same force on two ions, one's heavier than the other, which one's easier to move? Which one's harder to move? Well, the one with the heavier mass. So that will describe a semicircle like this. It's harder to make that guy turn. The lighter ion will be easier, so it will go farther before it completes its circle. So the one that's going farther away from the detector will be the lighter mass. The answer is A.